And you also could have quality music that'll get no airplay because you ain't paying no good bastard DJs to pay all the money. On some of these damn program directors, you ain't giving up what they call 5 CDs, which is $5,000 to $50,000. So that's why I said it comes back to the people forcing these program directors to play old with the new with the old. If y'all don't get up and do something, like I said, you deserve what you get.
You want to put the golden age to the place we're at now, where it's all about money and drugs and
He's reaching. He's trying to get radio play. Why is he doing this?
It's hip hop, because you got to understand, hip hop music is not no one category.
You can't just isolate yourself for what's going on in hip hop and say, well, I'm gonna do this. I've been doing this since '92. That shit might not work now.
Radio stations, TV stations. Are we to blame for this?
You got trip hop, you got electro funk, you got Miami bass, you got Rio funk. We put the power in their hands. Now it's like we created this machine, and now it's like, how do we get it back?